in MS Excel. In this chapter, we will study about MS Excel 2019, and I will tell you about the different types of charts, what are its components, how to create a chart, and sorting data, how we will filter data, data validation, adding subtotal, pivot table, goal seek, and conditional format. Charts are pictorial representation of data. In our school, you must have created chart for different subjects. MS Excel provides us a feature of creating charts which helps us to represent data in a graphical form. They are easy to read and understand. ये easy to read है और understand है. When we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं data sheet. And when the data changes, the charts that gets updated automatically. वो automatically क्या हो जाता है? Update हो जाता है. Now types of chart. Different types of charts are available in Excel. We will use the data shown in the figure. Some of the most commonly used charts are as follows. First is column chart, which is commonly used and it displays data in the form of vertical bar. It is used to show changes in the data over a period of time. And in column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. इसमें organized होता है horizontal axis में and vertical axis, like this. A Dogner chart, it is similar to a pie chart except that it can be used to plot more than one data series. Data series is represented by individual ring. Each section on a ring displays the contribution of an individual item to the total of all items in a particular series. Bar chart. A bar chart displays the comparison among individual items as a set of horizontal bars. A bar chart is similar to a column chart except that it is a type of chart. The values are represented on the horizontal axis. There are categories are represented on the vertical axis. Then we have pie chart. It displays data in the form of circle that makes up data series to sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. जब आप किस पे emphasize करोगे significant element. Line chart, it is in the form of lines. It uses connected dot to show trends in data over a period of time. Each line जो होती है आपकी चार्ट में वो क्या शो करती है? Changes in the value of one item. जिसमें क्या होता है जो वैल्यू है हर एक आइटम की चेंज हो जाती है. Then we have scatter chart. It plots each data point with a marker. The x-axis of the scatter chart has number and not text label. So x-axis tick marks are spaced according to the value and not just evenly spaced. Scatter chart are useful to plot relationship between linked set of number, for example, height and weight and price and sales. कि हाइट और वेट और प्राइस और सेल्स दोनों को क्या कर रही है? लिंक कर. The points on the scatter charts can be connected with a line, but it is often used without connection line. We might use a scatter chart when a chart has many data points, but there is no particular trend in their rise and fall. लेकिन किसी भी तरीके का कोई particular trend नहीं है rise and fall में. What is area chart? It is similar to the chart, but the data point makers are not displayed, and the area beneath the lines is filled with color. The area chart emphasizes magnitude of change in data over time. It is used for representing sales and production. ठीक है, sales और production figure को represent करेंगे. Hierarchy chart, it compares parts of whole when several columns categorized from the hierarchy. Radar chart, it plots data in a concentric circle. Each data series is plotted along a separate axis from the center point, and lines connect values from the same series. Line क्या करती है? Values को connect करती है from the same series. What are the different components of chart? Chart is described in the various elements. ये various elements है, ठीक है? Now one by one, let's study about these elements. First is chart area. It refers to the area within which all charts components are found. जिसमें आपको सारे chart components मिलते हैं. Category axis, जिसमें ये horizontal axis होता है, इसको हम x axis भी कहते हैं. Value axis ये vertical axis होता है, which is known as y axis. डाटा सीरीज आर द बार स्लाइसेस और अदर एलिमेंट जो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, डाटा की वैल्यू. एक्सेस टाइटल, दे आर द हेडिंग गिवन टू एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. चार्ट टाइटल, इट इज द हेडिंग ऑफ द चार्ट. ये क्या होती है, हेडिंग होती है. ये यूजर को हेल्प करती है कि चार्ट क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, व्हाट द चार्ट रिप्रेजेंट. प्लॉट एरिया, इट इज द एरिया कंटेनिंग द चार्ट जिसमें आपके एक्सिस और ग्रिडल्स होते हैं. ग्रिड लाइंस क्या होती है, दीज आर ईदर हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल लाइन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिलेक्टिंग चार्ट टाइप. इट इज इजियर टू रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. ये इजी टू रीड है और अंडरस्टैंड है. इट्स डिपिक्ट द कलर पैटर्न एंड सिंबल असाइन्ड टू द डाटा. Data label, it is a title given to the data markers in a chart. It is the table containing value of each data series, usually displayed below the chart. So now creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. Step 1, type the data and select the range A1 to B7 including column type. Step 2, click on the insert tab. आप insert tab पे click करेंगे. Step 3, click on the insert column or bar chart option in the chart. Step 4, select the desired chart subtype from the list and the chart appears on your worksheet. और chart आपकी worksheet पे appear हो जाएगा. 2 new tabs, chart design and format, appear in the ribbon under chart tools. And wherever you click on the chart, these tabs contain option for editing and formatting the chart. ये करता है editing करता है और charts की formatting. Now adding an access title. To add an access title, click on the chart and follow these steps. आप चार्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे और कुछ स्टेप फॉलो करेंगे. सेलेक्ट द चार्ट, आप चार्ट को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. आप चार्ट डिजाइन में जाके चार्ट टूल में क्लिक ऑन द एड चार्ट एलिमेंट ऑप्शन. क्लिक ऑन द एक्सेस टाइटल्स ऑप्शन इन द चार्ट लेआउट. क्या करते हैं, एक्सेस टाइटल्स ऑप्शन इन द चार्ट लेआउट ग्रुप में क्लिक ऑन द प्राइमरी हॉरिजॉन्टल और प्राइमरी वर्टिकल ऑप्शन. Now type the text in the access title box. After typing the title, click outside the chart. What you will do, you will click outside the chart and your chart will be ready. To add a chart title, click on the chart and follow these steps. Select the chart, click on the chart design tab under chart. Click on the add chart element option. Click on the chart title option in the chart layout group. Click on the desired option. Then type the text in a chart title. आप text को type करोगे. After typing the title, click outside the chart. आपको क्या करना है, चार्ट के बाहर क्लिक करना है. Similarly, we can add legend, data labels and data table using add chart element option and chart design tab under chart. इसके अंदर chart tool के अंदर. Now changing the chart type or subtype. Select the chart, click on the chart design tab under chart tool. Click on the change chart type and type. ठीक है, आप change chart type group में क्या करेंगे, click. The change chart type dialog box appear. Click and select a new chart type or subtype. आप click करोगे, select करोगे new chart type और subtype. Now changing the chart style. अब आपको chart के style को change करना है. Select the chart, click on the chart design tab under chart. Now click on more button in the chart style. A list of different style appear. And click and select the style that you want to. आपको click करना है और select करना है the style that you want to. The chart appears with the new style. और chart appear करता है with the new style. Now sorting data. Sorting का मतलब क्या होता है? Arranging data either in ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Data can be stored in rows on the basis of text number, combination of text and number of dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work. अगर जैसे ही data organized हुआ है, it becomes easy to work. Step first, select the range of cells containing the data to be stored. Click on sort option in the sort and filter group data tab. The sort dialog box appear. और एक sort dialog box क्या होगा? Appear. Select the column on the basis of which you want to sort from the sort drop-down list. Select the values option from the sort on drop-down list. Select the order of sorting from the order drop-down. फिर आप क्लिक करोगे ओके पे तो आपकी ऐसे फाइल बन जाए. Now filtering data. Filter features allows us to see only those records that we want to display, temporarily hiding rest of the data. We can say that being only selective data, जो आपकी कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फिल्टरिंग डाटा. फिल्टरिंग इट इज अ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम शॉर्टिंग. देखो ये अलग होता है, शॉर्टिंग अलग चीज है, फिल्टरिंग अलग चीज है. एंड लाइक शॉर्टिंग, फिल्टरिंग डज नॉट रीअरेंज द डाटा. ये डाटा को रीअरेंज नहीं. नाउ फॉलो द स्टेप्स. लाइक फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टाइप द डाटा एज शोन. आप डाटा को टाइप करोगे. Click on any cell in the range you want to filter. Click on the filter option in the sort and filter option in the data tab. The filter arrows appear next to the column heading and click on the arrow next to the column heading to specify the condition. Step 5. The drop-down list provides many options for filter data. Select check boxes of the values on the basis of which you can filter and clear the other check. Click OK button. The list is filtered according to the chosen fact. जो क्राइटेरिया आपने चूज करा है उसी क्राइटेरिया के बेस पे क्या होगी? आपकी लिस्ट फिल्टर हो जाएगी. Now the data of only the students from GG3 house will be displayed. Now data validation. What is data validation? It is used to restrict cell entries with specified range. To apply data validation, follow these steps. आप ये steps को follow करो. Select the range A1, A10. Click on the data validation option in a design tool on the data tab. जो ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट है वो अपीयर हो जाएगी. क्लिक ऑन द डाटा वैलिडेशन ऑप्शन. आपको डाटा वैलिडेशन ऑप्शन पे क्या करना है? क्लिक कर. Step 4. The data validation dialog box appears. Click on the setting tab. Then what you will click? You will click on setting tab. In allow drop down box, select whole number option. In data drop down list, between option is select. अगर हमने मिनिमम की बात करें, type 1 and maximum you can type 100. Then click on the input message tab. अगर आप टाइटल बॉक्स में जाएंगे तो वो आपको क्या टाइप करना पड़ेगा? वैलिडेशन. नाउ इन इनपुट मैसेज बॉक्स टाइप दिस. क्लिक ऑन द एरर टैब. ट्राई अगेन इनवैलिड इन एरर मैसेज बॉक्स. क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन और आप ओके बटन पे क्लिक करोगे. इफ वी ट्राई टू एंटर डाटा बियॉन्ड द स्पेसिफाइड लिमिट इन द सिलेक्टेड रेंज एंड एरर मैसेज विल बी डिस्प्ले. क्लिक ऑन रीट्राई टू एंटर अनदर वैल्यू. आप रीट्राई करके अनदर वैल्यू को लिख सकते. एडिंग सब टोटल. Subtotal helps us to manage and analyze data. To apply subtotal, database must be short. अगर आपको ऐड करना है सबटोटल को, सबसे पहले आप जो डाटा शोन है उसको आप सेलेक्ट करोगे. Step 2. Click on the subtotal button in the outline box and the subtotal dialog box. Select the reason. आप select करोगे reason from at each change in drop down list. And to calculate the sum of sales, select sum function and use function drop down list. In add subtotal to drop down list, click on sale. In add subtotal, deselect the replace current subtotal option by clicking on it, and the option override existing subtotal is already selected. और वो already क्या हो जाएगा आपका? select. The summary of below data checkbox is already marked. The option will place the total below the data. Then you will click on OK button. आप किस पे करोगे? OK button. The subtotal will be displayed as shown in the figure given ahead. Now pivot table. Pivot table is a powerful tool for consolidating, summarizing and presenting data. ये क्या एक powerful tool है जिससे आप डाटा को consolidate कर सकते हो, summarize कर सकते हो, present. Enter the data in a new worksheet and select the data range. Click on pivotal table option in table. Insert tab and you can select from table range. The pivotal table from table or range dialog box appear. In table range text box, the range is displayed that you have selected from the pivot. A new worksheet radio button is selected and you can click OK. जैसे कि आप क्लिक करोगे OK पे, your table will be made. The pivot layout is displayed on a new worksheet. A pivot table field list starts pane appear to the right side of the screen. Click and drag the name field from the choose field to add to report pane and drop it down into row quadrant. Drag the product field into the column quadrant. Drag the sale field into the value quadrant. Product field को आपको column quadrant में ले जाना है और sale field को value quadrant. We can rearrange the data in any way you like. We can also change place of button here if we don't like that placement. We click the undo button. हम किस पे क्लिक करते हैं? undo button. Then we have goal seek. It is a wonderful feature for fixing a specific result or adjusting value in another cell. First step is enter data in a worksheet as shown. आप enter करोगे data को worksheet में. फिर click on what if analyze option in the forecast. A drop down list appears. Select goal seek option. Goal seek dialog box appear. In set cell text box define the cell address G5 on which goal seek is to be applied. In this box always refer the cell that contain formula. जो क्या contain करता है? Formula. Now type the new value 355 as a result into value. This box always refers to the cell that contains formula. Press the tab key. You have to press the tab key. Click on the cell D5 in a worksheet. The address will appear in by changing cell. Text box. Click on OK button. फिर आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? आप OK button पे क्लिक करो. Goal seek status dialog box appear on the screen. Target value 400 और जो correct value है वो क्या है? वो भी 400. And then you will click OK button. Observe the change in the cell B7. आप देखेंगे जो cell B7 है उसमें आपको changes दिखाई. Now conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? It is a feature in Excel that lets us to apply formatting such as cell shading, font color to a cell only when the cell content satisfy a given condition. When the value of the cell meet the format condition, select formatting is applied to the cell. If the value of the cell does not meet the format condition, the default information is. कौन सी information का use करा जाए? Default information. Step 1. Enter the data in a new worksheet as shown to be formatted. Now click on the conditional formatting option in the style group in the home tab. List of option is displayed. आपका जो list है option की वो display हो जाएगी. Select the required option as per criteria want to apply. Here we select highlight cell rules greater than. हम किसका use करते हैं? Highlight cell rule greater. A dialog box appear. Enter the value and specify the formatting to be applied. In this, enter the value as 85 and choose light red fill with dark red text as the formatting option. Then you will click on Book. Similarly, you can choose highlight cell rules less than. A dialog box appear. In dialog box appear होगा. Enter the value and specify the formatting to be applied. In this example, enter the value as 75 in yellow and fill with dark yellow text as a formatting. Click OK button. The cells are formatted according to the specified condition as shown in figure given below. जैसे आपके फिगर में दिया हुआ ऐसे ही हमको इसको specify. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.